In early 2020, school feeding programs delivered more meals than ever before to 388 million children worldwide. This was historic progress, but even then, 73 million of the most vulnerable girls and boys were missing out. COVID-19 brought this progress to a sudden halt. In April 2020, almost all countries closed their schools, leaving 370 million children without access to the one meal a day they could rely on. This had serious consequences for children, families, and their communities. Restoring these programs is an urgent priority. But why school meals, and why now? Nearly every family in the world is or was touched by the long-term consequences of school closures during the pandemic. School meals programs can transform lives and communities. They can serve as platforms for improving education, social protection, agriculture, and nutrition. They can do more than provide food. They can support local markets and farmers who sell food to schools, create jobs locally, improve health and combat all forms of malnutrition, get children into school and help them learn, make communities more resilient. They help attract girls to and keep them in school. School meals programs will support pandemic recovery and contribute to achieving the SDGs. That is why governments are coming together to form the School Meals Coalition. Governments and their partners are joining forces to scale up and improve national, sustainable school meal programs so that every child has the opportunity to receive a healthy, nutritious meal in school by 2030. How? By restoring what we had, re-establishing effective school meal programs and repairing what was lost during the pandemic. By reaching those we miss in low and middle income countries. By improving our approach, improving the quality and efficiency of existing school meal programs and better integrate them with agriculture, health, nutrition, and education services. We cannot simply replace what existed pre-pandemic. The coalition will work through initiatives with the potential to drive transformational change. To begin with, a research consortium to provide the scientific evidence for what actions to prioritize based on their impact and value for money. A financing task force to help countries find sustainable financing solutions for school meals and school health programs. Momentum is building. More governments are joining, more partners engaging. The road out of COVID-19 will be long and uneven. These programs work. They can change lives. They can transform communities. Sign the Declaration of Commitment and help build the School Meals Coalition.